Namaste, everyone. Welcome to Aphinya Yoga. I am Aphinya. Welcome to the channel that dedicated to the practice of health and happiness. And if you knew what an honor that our paths crossed today, I hope you are doing fabulously. Many blessings to you and your loved ones. To my regular, I love you. And I have utmost respect toward your own dedication to your health and happiness. Please know that it is very inspiring. And please know that I know how much it takes for you to stay committed because not every day is easy. I am rooting for you. Also, many blessings to you and your loved one as well. If you are seeking relief from your back pain through yoga, I trust that I got just the solution for you. My carefully crafted sequence prioritizing safety, ensuring you not only alleviate your back pain, but also avoids injuries elsewhere. Please meet me on the mat with a strap and a knee pad. Start by lying down to your back, please. So right here, let's decompress the spine by lengthening the leg long and the arms long away from one another. You can just have your arms on either side of your ears and use the axle to length. Or you can interlace your fingers and pressing your palms away from your torso when you exhale. See which option works well for your body. So here we go, take a deep breath in. And exhale, lengthen the arms, lengthen the legs. Feel like you are going to pull your body in half away from one another. 2 more breaths. Length and relax your jaw at the same time. Another breath, inhale. Exhale, length. Start to rock your hips side to side right here. Bring your arms out like wing, palm facing up. And you're just rocking your hips. Keep your body totally relaxed. And then from here, stop rocking the hips. Step your feet toward your hips, hip distance apart, knees bend. Windshield wiper. Drop your knee side to side. Let's loosen up the muscles that hold our lumbar regions upright. Let them lose their grip. Now, next time when your knees go to the right, really aim the left knees away from you and allow your back to arch as much as it has to. Okay, so your left knee go to the right and go toward the floor. You should be on the big toe side edge of your left knee at this point. Now, if it feels okay, place your right foot on that outside of your left thighs and just get that left knee further down toward the floor. Make sure your left shoulder can be on the floor. You can look toward your left arms. And when you find that juicy spot, like, okay, that's it, that's the depth of it. Everything feels good. Now just focus on the breath. Inhale deeply. Exhale, let your ribs travel down toward the floor. 2 more breaths. Inhale, nice and deep. This rib cage just move, expand, and then soften. One more. Exhale. Mindfully, now bring your knees up center. Drop your knees to the left. Focus on your right leg. Aim that right knee down and to the left. Stay right here. Or place your left foot on that lateral side of your right thigh and just allow the weight to intensify the stretching on that right lateral legs. Take a deep breath in and exhale, soften your trunk. Feel the weight of your whole body journey downward toward the earth beneath you. Another 2 deep breaths right here. Exhale, let it go. Inhale, nice and deep. And then fully exhale. Inhale, carefully bring your knees up center. Draw both of your knees together toward your chest. And then inhale, opening your knees apart. Circle them the way they are going to meet at one point, and then bring them back together toward your chest. Inhale, open. Exhale toward the chest. 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. Change the direction, please. Then 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. Right here we go into happy baby. Feet go up toward the ceiling. Open your legs wider than your trunks with your knees bent. Hold your feet with your hands on the little toe side edge of it. If you cannot hold your feet and your shoulder can remain on the floor, please grab a strap and place the strap at the ball of your feet. Okay? Hold the strap as long as you need to keep your shoulder on the ground. We're not going to lift that. So your neck and your shoulder doesn't have to tense up right here. And then we rock the hips side to side. Come back center. Slowly bring your knees together toward your chest. Take the strap away if you use it. Hug your knees with the arms and then rock it side to side. Next time when your knees go to the right, just go with them. Land on the right side of your body. Use your left hand to bring yourself up. Find a seat with your legs wide open apart. Okay. Use both of your hands, go into your inner thighs. One hand in front, one hand in the back. And roll your inner thigh in, back, and out with the exhale. Do it on both sides. So your sitting bones can really be on the earth. And then have your hands back behind you. Inhale, lift your spine up toward the sky. And then exhale, start to tilt your body to the right and forward. We're going to make a circle. And then come up to the other side and go back. And let's make a big spinal circulation right here, please. 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. Chain to the other side. And 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. Come back up center. Really press your leg into the floor. Spine lengthening forward. Spine lengthening up toward the sky. Inhale. And from here, you are going to take your body forward and to the floor. Exhale. Grab those blocks. They can be really helpful. Okay. Go as far forward and as closer to the floor as much as you can. Which means if you cannot do much, use the block to help you to stay more upright. You actually can have it right, supporting your chest right here. Yeah, there. That actually feel really good. Have the support while you stretch your adductor muscles. Yeah. So each exhale, try to go closer to the floor. Or you can use a block and you have your forearms on it, right? And find the height that is work for you. Spine has to stay elongated at all times. This is when it's really crucial. We want your disc in the lower back feel extended. It doesn't feel compressed. Last breath right here. Then inhale carefully. Move away from the floor and come upright with your trunk. Now this time, left hands go out to the side, fingertips on the floor, right arm up toward the sky. Inhale. Go facing the ears and then exhale, stretch to the left. And you keep walking your left hand to the left to increasing length. Come up center, inhale. And then other side. Inhale, come up. You see that you walk your left hand to the left while you lengthen your right side body. Come up center and then go to the other side. Last one on either side right here. Exhale, length. Come up center, inhale, and then other side. Inhale, come back up center. Now from here, keep your left leg straight. Carefully bend your right knee, and you are going to cross your right leg over left. Hug your right knee with your left hand, or have your left elbow outside of your right knee. Your right hand go back behind you. See what works. Then inhale, spine lengthening up toward the sky. Exhale, use those hands to help you to twist to the right. 2 more breaths. Inhale, spine lengthen. Exhale, chest turn to the right. Belly resisting your chest though. Another breath right here. Inhale, untwist. And then change, extend. This time your right leg out. Cross your left leg over right. Hug your right knee. Hug your left knee with your right hand. Left hand back behind you, or your right elbow outside of your left knee. Inhale, spine lengthen. Use the both hands to help you to twist to the left. 1 more breath. Remember to let the belly resisting your chest. 1. Your neck is lengthened and also turn to the left. Last breath right here. And exhale, twist. Inhale, untwist. Uncross your left leg. Lean onto your right hips. Bend both knees. Come onto your hands and knees. Grab a knee pad. Put both of your knees together on it. And your palms underneath the shoulder. Maybe you have flat palms or make a fist. and have your feet facing one another. And then drop your hips side to side, please. Bring your hips up center. Open your knee hip distance apart. Tuck your toes under. From here, step your right leg forward. Feet to the floor, knee is bent. Come upright with your trunk. Hand relaxed down by your side, palm facing forward. Your hip facing the short side edge of your mat. Take a deep breath in, spine nice and long, shoulder blades onto your back. And exhale, lunge forward. Now make sure that when you lunge, your right knee doesn't go beyond the ankle. If that's happened, keep moving the ankle forward to be underneath the knee. Get that? 2 more breaths. Inhale, lengthen your spine up toward the sky. Root your tailbone down and exhale, lunge forward. Spine nice and long. 1 more breath. Inhale, root down and rise up. Shoulder blades together onto your back. Exhale, lunge. And put into your right foot. Shift the weight toward your left knee. Bring your hands down toward the floor. Step your right leg back. Step your left leg forward. Come upright with your trunk. Again, relax your arms down by your side. Inhale, spine lift. Shoulder blades onto your back. And exhale, lunge. 2 more breaths. Root down from your tailbone toward the back knee and spine lift. Inhale. Exhale, lunge. Last breath. Take a deep breath in. And then exhale, lunge. Shift the weight from your left foot toward your right knee. Bring both hands down. Step the left leg back. Have your left knee to meet the right knee. Hands underneath the shoulder and drop your hips side to side once again, please. And then carefully bring your hip and then right here, stop moving your hips. Open your knee hip distance apart. Palms on the earth. Inhale, look up, tailbone up, cow pose. Exhale, round your back, cat pose. 3 more. And 1. And 2. And 3. And then toes together. Sit down onto your child's pose. Head go to the floor, or maybe rest your forehead on the block. And have your hand rest alongside the ears, or maybe elbow down and your palms go up toward the sky. Couple more breaths right here. Inhale. Exhale. Last breath. Inhale. Exhale. And then from here, walk your hands back toward your knees. Come up to a seated position. You can sit down or maybe take yourself back up to a standing if it feels better for you. This is it, everyone. I hope it helped you greatly. Let me know what you think, and I will see you in the next video. Namaste. If you liked this video and want more of what I have to offer, please subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends and families. Feel free to leave comments and questions. I also teach online live class every Saturday. Link will be on the description below. And last but not least, if you want to donate to my channel, the link is also there. Thanks so much. See you next time. Namaste.